Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's this one. It's a simple eyelet stitch, and the front and the back is the same. And this is only a 2-row repeat, so row 2 and row 3 is the ones you are repeating for this pattern. So let's get started. I've got my crochet hook 4mm, and I've got my yarn. First make a slip knot, and then starting by chaining a multiple of 3 plus 2. So first a multiple of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here's my multiple of 3, and then add 2 more, so 1, 2. Okay, so for row 1, skip the first stitch, and in the next one make a single crochet. Then chain 3. And you can see that here we made that single crochet, so skip 1, 2 stitches, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. And this is what we are repeating for this row. So chain 3, and then skip 2 stitches, and in the next one make a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the next one. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and the next one make a single crochet. And if you are doing it right, at the end you should be having 3 chains left. So chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and in the last stitch make a single crochet. So this is how row 1 looks like. And now let's get over to row 2. So chain 4, and this chain 4 counts as a double crochet, and chain 1. Turn your work. In a chain 3 space make a single crochet. Chain 1, and on top of that single crochet of the previous row make a double crochet. Chain 1, and this is for the rest of this row. Just make a single crochet in the chain 3 space of the previous row. Chain 1, and on top of that single crochet make a double crochet. Chain 1, make a single crochet in the chain 3 space. Chain 1, make a double crochet on top of that single crochet of the previous row. Chain 1, single crochet in the chain 3 space. Chain 1, double crochet on top of that single crochet. Chain 1, for now the last single crochet in the chain 3 space. Chain 1, and make a double crochet in that last stitch over here. If you turn your work a little bit towards you, you can see here the V of this stitch over here, and then make there your double crochet. So this is how row 2 looks like. And now for row 3, chain 1, turn your work. This doesn't count as a stitch. So in that first stitch make a single crochet. Chain 3, and then skip that single crochet from the previous row, and I'm on top of the double crochet, make a single crochet. And this is how row 3 goes. Just chain 3, skip that single crochet and make a single crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous row. Chain 3, skip that single crochet and on top of the double crochet make a single crochet. Chain 3, skip this stitch and on top of the double crochet make a single crochet. Chain 3, and then in the third chain, 1, 2, 3 of your previous row, make a single crochet. So here is row 3. Now we're going to repeat row 2 and row 3. I'll show you one more time how to crochet row 2 and row 3. So chain 4, turn your work, in that first chain 3 space make a single crochet. Chain 1, and on top of that single crochet of the previous row make a double crochet. Chain 1, single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 1, double crochet on top of the single crochet of the previous row. Chain 1, single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 1, double crochet on top of the single crochet of the previous row. Just continue this for this row. Then in the last stitch make your double crochet. And now just do row 3 again, chain 1, turn your work, in that first stitch make a single crochet, chain 3, and then on top of the double crochet of the previous row make a single crochet, chain 3, and then again on top of the double crochet of the previous row make a single crochet, chain 3, and just continue this for this row. And then in the third chain, 1, 2, 3 of the previous row of your chain 4, in the third chain make a single crochet. So just continue repeating row 2 and 3, and then there is your simple eyelet stitch. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them, and if you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications, and you'll get a message when I've uploaded a new video. And for now, just happy crocheting. Bye bye.